3 blue marbles and 7 red marbles are placed into a bag. One marble is selected at random and the colour is noted before it is returned to the bag. A second marble is then selected and its colour is also noted. In part A, it asks us to represent this experiment using a tree diagram. So the first selection you can have could be a blue marble, and to do that there would be a 3 in 10 chance because there's 3 blue marbles out of a total of 10. In the same selection you could also have gotten a red marble, which would have a probability of 7 over 10 as there's 7 red out of a total of 10. As all of the marbles are still there on your second selection because you've put the one you selected first back, you get a blue, which would have the same probability as before because there's still 3 blue out of 10. Or you could get a red marble, and again there's still 7 out of 10. To complete the other half of the tree, if you got a red marble first, you could follow that with a blue, and as all marbles are still there, that would have a 3 out of 10 chance. Or finally, after a red, you could select another red, which would have a probability of 7 over 10. So there we have our tree diagram, which represents the sample space. And we are asked in part B, what is the probability that 2 red marbles are selected? So 2 red marbles follows this path here. So to get that probability, we multiply the probabilities along the branches. So the probability of getting red followed by red is going to be equal to 7 over 10 times 7 over 10, which equals 49 over 100. And the exact decimal is 0.49 for that as well. For part C, we're asked what's the probability that 2 different coloured marbles are selected. So selecting 2 different coloured marbles, you could get a blue the first time followed by a red, or you could get a red followed by a blue. Therefore, we're looking at the probability of blue then red plus the probability of red then blue, which is going to equal, so if we go through the branches, we have the probability of a blue is 3 over 10 times a red, which is 7 over 10. Then we add on the probability that we got a red times the probability that we then get a blue, and we find that that is equal to 21 over 100 plus 21 over 100, which equals 42 over 100, which could be simplified down to 21 over 50, or as an exact decimal, it could be 0.42. So that's the probability of getting 2 different coloured marbles when we select them one at a time with replacement.